Hi, in this video I'm going to show you some basic feature about Microsoft Office, more precisely about Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. First of all, I've wrote text in Word, but I've not formatted it. So the first thing I want to do is add some page number. To do this, you double click on the top of the page and you go on number of the page and you choose the one you want. So the one I want is this one. Also, this is a title, so what I want is click on title, and let's say I don't really like the font on this part of the text. I want to make it Arial. Where is it? Oh, right there. And 12 is good. I'll make the title a little bit bigger. Let's say 14. And I'll do the same thing for this title. Title 14. This part of the text, let's say I want another font, cool one. Let's say this one. Yeah, looks pretty good. And the last title, make it a little bit bigger. And another font, let's say this one. No, not good. Yeah, this one. This one is good. So, after doing this, one thing that I want to add is sources for this data. I took this from internet and I would like to add to my works cited. So what I do is you go on reference, you want to add a citation and you add a new one. So there you fill all this. So when you're done filling the information, what you have to do is click OK, and there's your sources. One last thing I want to do with this Word document is to add the works cited page. So have here a new page where I wrote works cited, and to add your works cited you go on reference, bibliography, and works cited. I remove that. That's French. So there you go. You have your works cited page. Now I have a set of data here for my conclusion that I would like to analyze further, because only set of data like that is not really efficient. So what I'll do is I'll go on Excel. I have already typed in the data, and I would like to do a graph so that I would be able to see the trend that comes out of these data. So first of all, the first thing you want to do is to select your data, insertion, and you can choose the graph you want, and this is the one I want. You can add a label by going here and title. Let's say absorbance versus wavelength. And you can also do the same thing for the x-axis and y-axis right there. But I won't do it because I don't have enough time. Another thing that I want to do is let's say I want an average of the wavelength and also an average of the absorbance. I select all the data, and I go here and average, and I can do the same thing for here, and average. So now I know that my average wavelength is 403 and my average absorbance is 0.48. And now what is great about Microsoft Office is that I can copy that and add it to my Word document. Can also do the same thing with the graph. I can copy it and paste it on my Word document. So that's it for Word and Excel. The last thing I want to show you is PowerPoint. When you open PowerPoint, it's like this. There's nothing. So I'll start by creating a theme, if I can find them. So there you go. I choose this theme, and what I would like to do for this PowerPoint is compare two iPod. Let's say the iPod Nano versus the iPod Touch by Felix. So I want to add a new page. No, not this one. I would add a one that in which I could compare two content. This one would fit. So I'll add some information and I'll come back. So there you go. I've added the information for the iPod Nano and the iPod Touch in two different slides. So it's now easy to compare the iPod Touch and the iPod Nano. The one last thing I would like to add is a picture of both of them. You can pick them from internet or anywhere. Just copy it and paste it. You can move it around, make it bigger, you can tilt it and place it where you want. I'll add another one for the iPod Nano. Oh, whoops, I've deleted the text. That's not one. And that's it. You have a PowerPoint presentation that you can show to your friend or anyone. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you learned many different things on Microsoft Office, and I hope you enjoyed the video.